it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also really love doing subscription box unboxings, and this is my Allure Beauty Box for August. If you're unfamiliar with the Allure Beauty Box, this is a $25 monthly subscription where you get makeup, skincare, etc. And I have found that typically with the Allure Beauty Box, they run a little bit more skincare heavy. This is the August box. On top, you will get a little pamphlet that will give us our deets. First up, I see a ROUGE Beauty, and it just says vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, and synthetic. I'm assuming it is a little ROUGE brush set. I actually have quite a bit of ROUGE brushes from my IPSY subscriptions. So let's open it up and see what we have. It is a 3-piece eye brush set. They are black. We have the LR105 Short Shadow. We have the LR100 Concealer Brush. And then we have an LR008 Angled Shading Brush. And my motto is, you can never have too many brushes, and they're great quality. I love all the ones that I've used so far, so I'm really excited to have that. Next up is the Tula Skincare Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel with an SPF of 30. I like Tula Skincare as well. This is a full size. Next up, we have the KLARITY Cosmetics Lip Gloss in the shade Curve, and it says a minority and woman-owned company, and then I will show you guys what it looks like. There's the unit carton, and it is a beautiful kind of more mauvey rosy pink shade. Not something that I'm going to use, not my favorite type of color, but I think it's beautiful. Next up is the Belif Aqua Bomb Hyaluronic 11% Serum. Improves hydration and a daily oxidant care serum. Next up is the Color Wow Dream Coat Super Natural Spray. Naturally transforms texture, amazing humidity proofing powers. It is a little like trial size. I'm trying to not blind you guys with it. We also have a Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm in Original. That is also a mini. And there will be a mixture in here of full-size products and then also like travel try-me size products. And then our very last thing is a Victor and Rolf Good Fortune perfume sample. So we have our perfume sample. We have our Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Little Mini. We have a KLARITY Cosmetics Lip Gloss. We have our Color Wow Dream Coat Spray. We got the Belif Aqua Bomb Hyaluronic. We got our Tula Skincare Protect and Glow SPF. And we also got our 3-piece brush set. And then we'll go into the pamphlet and we'll get some pricing and information and things like that. First up was our Tula Skincare Protect and Glow SPF 30. Why you'll love it. Sunscreen is a non-negotiable step in your routine, and this silky option is as comfortable to wear as it is effective. So there's no hesitation when it comes to applying it daily. Squeeze the tube, and out comes pearly goop swirled with translucent bits of gel. Besides preventing sun damage, pineapple and papaya extracts gently exfoliate the skin, leaving you with a luminous, dewy finish. That sounds incredible. And it is $38 for 50 mils, so this is a full size, so this was $38, so well worth just the price of admission, so to speak. Next up, we have our Color Wow Dream Coat Super Natural Spray. Why you'll love it. Inside this shiny bottle is liquid gold for those prone to frizz and flyaways. This smoothing styler forms an invisible shield in your hair like a raincoat against humidity as soon as it's activated by the heat of your blow dryer. And it says saturate every last strand of your damp hair with this smoothing formula, style as usual for glossy hair that could compete with the shine on a candy apple at the state fair. Retail price is $28 for 6.7 ounces. This is 1.7 ounces, and you can also get 20% off of any full-size product with code ALLURE20, so that's pretty cool. Next up was our Belif product. This is the Belif Aqua Bomb Hyaluronic 11% Serum. Why you'll love it. Hyaluronic acid has become known as a superstar ingredient for its hydrating powers, and there are 5 different types blended into Belif's serum for maximum dewiness. The addition of antioxidants like ferulic acid helps protect your skin barrier simultaneously. It feels lightweight going on even though it's a heavy lifter for quenching parched skin. How you use it: after cleansing your skin in the morning and evening, apply 2 or 3 drops and gently rub in. And this is a retail price of $32 for 15 mils, and there are 5 mils in here. Next up, we had our little sampler of the Vanilla Co. USA Clean It Zero 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm. Removing stubborn waterproof mascara and full coverage base products can feel like a chore, but this hydrating cleanser effortlessly melts it all away for a pampering makeup removal process. And kind of the same basis as the other products that are like this. Scoop out a nickel-sized dollop and massage into dry skin. Add a splash of water to emulsify, rub a bit more, and then rinse thoroughly. And then this is $19 for 100 mils, and you get 7 mils in the box. And you can also receive 20% off the entire site with the code ALLURE20. Next up, we had our CLARITY Cosmetics Lip Gloss in the shade Curve. Most glosses feel sticky at first swipe, but CLARITY's makes lips feel pillow soft. A touch of this mauve pink delivers a sheer wash of color and shine on its own, but it also doubles as a pretty finishing touch over any lipstick when you want some extra sheen. And of course, one swipe is all you need. Trace the pigment around your lips using the doe foot applicator. This is a retail price of $16 for 1 ounce, and you can receive 30% off of all lip collections, lip gloss, liquid lipstick, and cream lipstick with the code ALLURE30. Next up is our brush set. This is the LaRouche 3-piece editor brush set. These makeup brushes are all about the finer details that take a look from amateur to professional. With manageably short bristles, you are in complete control, even if you're not 100% sure of what you're doing. And it's a retail price of $30, and it says receive 25% off your entire purchase with code ALLURE25. And last but not least was our little bonus. This is the Victor and Rolf Good Fortune, a fragrance that is every bit as uplifting and gorgeous as a big bouquet of flowers from a loved one. This beautiful blend of jasmine and bourbon vanilla is a floral you'll want to smell all summer long. Retail price is $180 for 90 mils. This is 1.2 mils. You also have a code. Receive 15% off of Good Fortune purchases of 30 milliliters or larger with code GFALLURE15. So that is pretty cool. I'm overall very excited to start getting Allure Beauty Box again. The July box I thought was great. I think this is a great blend as well. Some great skincare. We got our lip gloss, we got some hair care, and some brushes. I definitely think it is worth our $25. What do you think? Sound off down below. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. Next up is the Tula Skincare Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel with a